Hi, and welcome to session 2 of the basics. In today's session, we are continuing to create a sense of familiarity with the mind. You may have noticed in session 1 how much the mind changes and shifts, especially when we are still. Our thoughts may feel louder, and we begin to get a clearer understanding of just how busy our minds are and how easy it is to get distracted. The good news is that this is normal. Believe it or not, the mind has always been busy. But meditation creates an awareness for us to recognize and see this more clearly. With practice, as these thoughts arise, we'll get better at allowing them to be there and letting them go. In doing so, we're giving our mind a chance to rest and be at ease. So let's begin as we did last time, settling in and just taking a moment to get comfortable here. Keeping the eyes open to a soft gaze. You can be sitting upright or lying down, whatever feels right for you. And now let's take a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Noticing the lungs fill with air as we breathe in, and noticing the body soften as we breathe out. On the next exhale, closing the eyes, feeling the body press down as it relaxes. Noticing the gentle pressure between the body and the surface beneath you. See if you can notice where the point of contact is the strongest. Noticing your arms, the slight sensation of your hands and fingers, the weight of your legs, and now just noticing the space around you. Noticing any sounds that may be present, and allowing them to come and go. As you notice the sounds, not thinking about them or getting caught up, just listening, allowing, and letting them go, letting them be. And remembering, as our thoughts arise, no need to stop them. Just noticing when the mind has wandered and bringing your attention back to the body. Let's begin scanning the body like we did in the last session, starting from the head, moving down to the toes, getting a sense of how the body feels. And as you scan down, noticing what areas are holding tension, and just acknowledging the tension, continuing to move downwards. Again, the mind will want to wander, and that's normal. Just noticing when it has, and guiding the attention back to the body. Continuing to scan. And just begin to notice the breath. Noticing the quality of the breath. Feeling that rising and falling movement. And see where you can feel the breath as it moves. Maybe you feel it in the shoulders, chest, or stomach. Just noticing, following the breath as it moves in and out of the body. Noticing if the breaths feel long or short. And to create this sense of focus, we can begin to count our breaths. So as we breathe in, this is 1. And as we breathe out, this is 2. Breathing in, 3. Breathing out, 4. Counting to 10, and then starting again at 1. And again, allowing any thoughts to come and go. Noticing when the mind has wandered. And returning to the breath. Beginning from the number that you left off on. Being and breathing with the breath. And now, just for a moment, letting go of any focus. Letting go of the count, and just allowing the mind to be free here. Letting it think if it wants to think, doing nothing at all here. And now, guiding the attention back to the body. Feeling the body making contact with the surface beneath you. feeling the weight of your arms and your legs. Noticing any sounds that may be present in your space. Noticing any scents that may be present. And just guiding your mind back to the body. And when you're ready in your own time, slowly and gently opening the eyes. And taking a moment here to pause and notice how the body feels and if you feel any different. If not, that's okay. No matter how it went today, meditation is a practice that helps us get comfortable sitting with the mind. To develop this skill, repetition of the foundational basics will support us in the discomfort we may experience. We are really working to create a solid foundation so that our meditation practice isn't just when we close our eyes, but also when we are living life and interacting with others. That's how we'll truly reap the most benefit. I look forward to seeing you here again for session 3.